Hi. Hi. How are you? Look at you. Look at you. It's a selfie. It's your first ever selfie. How come you don't have a beard like Daddy? How come you have as much hair on your head as Daddy on his dirty face? Why, baby? Why? Hi. Hey. You see you? You see you? It's you. Hi, you. Hi. Hi. Hi, Brayden. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Right? Hi, baby. Huggy.